We're headed to Blue Beacon to go get the motorhome washed. Come along, it's our first time to do it. We want to show you what we experienced.
Wow! Come on, groove along. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow.
Okay, I think Winston's happy. He's saying it's nice and clean, looks good. Good job, Winston.
Hey guys, we are heading down to the Beacon Car Wash. It is just a gorgeous spring day, so it is so much fun being outside and being out and about. And you know, we have been missing that windshield time. I mean, sometimes that's what is just probably the most addictive thing of being in a motorhome is on travel days that you get that windshield time, and it is just beautiful outside. Nice sunny day.
We're about to take a ride up here, and we've got a train right here at the turn. So.
Oh wow, this is going to be interesting.
I think we'll wait on the train. You know,
absolutely.
A motorhome's big, but it doesn't stand a chance to get a train.
Absolutely.
Gotta feel it, yeah, you gotta move along. Gotta feel it.
All right, we're here, Blue Beacon. I am so ready to get the dirt and the grime off of this thing. And you know what? I'm going the wrong way. Yes, I am. Okay, guys, I did it. I went the wrong way.
Zach, what just happened?
Well, I turned in the wrong way. I turned into employee parking. I think I was too excited about getting here to get the wash.
We are so excited about Blue Beacon.
Yeah, and so now I'm having to turn around. I'm just thrilled that I don't have the the towed vehicle on with us today. But, hey, you know what? You can fix just about everything, and this included. So we should have followed in that guy. See, if we were just a few seconds, we would have known you go straight. Yeah. So these guys totally know that we're RV newbies for Blue Beacon, right? Because they're like, they went to employee parking. Here's what's happening. All the truckers are looking and going like, look at those guys in the RV. Yeah. We are so entertaining for them this moment. We're entertaining.
Boy, there's been some weird people in here today.
Car wash. I think I saw these red signs right up here. See those signs?
Oh, that got you,
and so I really didn't even take the time to read it. And it's just talking about height and width. And, you know, I drive right through. So,
boy, they've got some major boulders here. Like, I guess that some people fall off the road. And oh, look at the trucks. Here we are. We're pulling in to Blue Beacon. Oh, this is so exciting. It's our first. And we're getting to see the lanes. So I guess we pick a lane. We are just super excited to be here and cannot wait to experience and go in there and see our RV all bright and shiny. And guys, it's really affordably priced. So keep on watching. We'll see how much this costs us. All right, let's get pulled up. We got a little more room. Here we go. Okay, so it's 14 feet at the door, 13 feet wide. So we're gonna be fine.
On our motorhome, we're 12 feet 1 inch tall. Then with some of our accessories we have on the roof, that's about another 5 inches or so. So that brings us around 12.6. So I always say I don't like to go under anything that's not at least 13 feet high. And when I'm even doing that, I want to go really slow. So 14 feet, we're great.
Hey guys, and they also use like 1,000 PSI pressure, and that helps to take off the grime and the contaminants that could really hurt your paint job. So it's good for your RV to do this, and it's much safer because you don't have to get up on the roof. And we just recently, one of our good friends who follows us in the RV world, they have a fifth wheel, and they spent 5 hours cleaning that fifth wheel last Saturday, and we're completely exhausted after they did it. And I was like, oh, we need to clean our RV so bad. And it took a lot of time, but it's dangerous. She was really concerned her husband would fall off the roof, and these things can happen, guys. So then we had another friend that we were talking to, and he said, he lived in Allen, Texas, and he just had an RV service come out and detail his whole RV, and that was like about, I don't know, $220, something like that. With tip and all, around $250. But he said it was real easy because all he had to do was pay the guy, and he did a wonderful wash. So, there's lots of different options, but this is our first time at Blue Beacon, and we are really excited, and we're really going to be interested for what this ends up costing us, because we've heard it's a real value, but it also says that different prices for different locations. So and depending on how dirty your RV is for what it might cost you too. So we will find out.
One of the things we'll do too is we're going to start a timer when we go into the wash to give you an idea of how long it takes. As far as wait time, it's just going to vary how long the line is, but we'll give you a good feel for the wash itself from the moment we pull in till the moment we pull out, how long that is. In a minute, there'll be a guy comes out and talks to us about what we want. And so we'll talk about what we're looking for, what we don't want, and he'll give us some options. And then we go inside once the wash process starts and pay at the counter for the service and get back in and then head out. Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Okay. We got 2 washes, but we can only do the no brightener wash on the truck.
Okay. That's the one with no acid, so it doesn't hurt the paint.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You want to citrus shine your aluminum?
Yeah, let's do that. That's pretty nice to get the citrus shine on there. Is that right? It'll help the wheels a lot. Okay.
It's a cleaner for polished aluminum.
Okay.
We're gonna go ahead and pull you in a second. All right.
Hey guys, I looked into the history of Blue Beacon. I love to study stuff, and it ends up that Charlie is the founder of Blue Beacon. And he had traveled around the United States. He was already in kind of like car washing and really realized that there was a need for truck washing. And so Charlie's former Air Force and went to school all the way to 9th grade, just very entrepreneurial spirit. And he found in Salina, Kansas, and my mom is from Kansas, and she would talk about Salina. So I think that's really cool that Charlie was from there. And he opened the first Blue Beacon. And truck drivers loved it. Well, I'm really excited, as you can see. I can't wait to go and experience all of this. And, well, Charlie passed away in 2012, but they are the largest truck car wash and RV car wash in the United States and have over 110 locations. And really do some innovative thing. They save water by recycling. They have safe products that they use. And what I just love is the efficiency of the whole thing, how quickly you can get your RV washed. And it's really quite exciting. So stay tuned.
Something that I was reading about them is they use warm water up around 92 to 102 degrees temperature, which helps loosen things. Also on motorhomes, they just use soapy water in fifth wheels and travel trailers, anything fiberglass, because you don't want the acid that they'll use in some of the truck washes to release things. But in recreational vehicles, that's all they do is warm soapy water. Now they'll come back over that with things like Rain-X or wax. Linda, what's going over there with you and Winston?
Well, shaky Winston over here, it's his first time to do the Blue Beacon RV wash, and he's letting me know about it. He wants nothing to do with this, and he was retreated behind me, hiding. You can't see him, can you?
Winston, you got a little spot to hide? How you doing there, buddy? Hey, here we go. We're starting right now.
Oh, we're going in the bay now. This is so exciting. Okay, he's having us go forward, and they've got their pressure hoses ready to go. We still have a truck in front of us that they are finishing up on and pressure washing more dirt and grime off. This is so exciting. Okay guys, we got some bugs on this thing. We really need a good soaking, and there starts the first soaking in Rex.
That's the pre-soak they were talking about.
And he's got that pre-soak going. He is getting us soaked up.
Gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you gotta feel it.
Okay, I'm about to pull up some more, I think. Here, look up at the top. They're doing the roof clean.
Are we getting the roof clean? Woo! We cannot wait for that to happen for us. And we didn't have to go on top, Zach.
I know. I don't like the top of the roof.
No.
Linda's
Zach,
told you before.
no.
I'm not a height guy. No, thank
does
you.
not like heights, guys. That really scares him.
I mean, I'll do it. I'll do it, but I just prefer not to.
Oh, they're opening the bay doors for the truck. Oh, okay. Here he comes. We're getting the good soap now and getting that grime and these contaminants, and oh, at these campgrounds we've been running into a lot of bugs. They're an enthusiastic bunch, aren't they?
Yep.
They stay at it. Okay, so now we are in the #1 position, and there was no waiting at all. He is directing us in our spot. Zach goes ahead and is parking it now, and they are closing the bay doors. So,
All right. Come in.
so now Zach's gonna be coming in.
Go right ahead. Okay, I just go inside. All right, heading inside to go get everything chosen and paid. Okay, the watch is on. I just got through going inside. They asked us not to film in there, but I went through and they were very helpful, showing me the options. The main things I did was I wanted an undercarriage wash because it's been pretty dirty through the winter. And then also I got the citrus shine.
Yeah, you gotta move along. Gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you gotta feel it. On the roadway, gotta move along. Baby, gotta move along. I said, baby, you gotta move along.
And Seymour looks all shiny, and that was fun and easy, and all the bugs off and the dirt, and wow, those tires look great. I love it. Oh my goodness, Winston is staring in the window. That is gorgeous. Thank you, Blue Beacon. Look at how great Seymour is looking. I love it. Boy, I don't know if you can see those tires, but wow. We're still a little wet. They don't do a dry down at this location but The bugs are off, and we are looking good. Ready to go to the next campground, and we are all clean and looking sharp. Look at those shiny tires. Don't you love it?
Okay, I think Winston's happy. He's saying it's nice and clean, looks good. Good job, Winston. The wheels especially. The citrus shine, worth the money. They do the tire dressings here, but because it's still in late April, they haven't started doing that, and it's a seasonal product, they said, so we'll get those later on.
Blue Beacon, that was awesome. That was easy. What did you think, Zach?
It was easy. It was very nice, nicely done. The people were nice. The guy that was kind of watching over our wash, his name was Steven, and he said, "Sir, anything that you need, you just let me know. We'll take care of it." He walked around with a flashlight while he was in there inspecting what was going on. And if there was an area he thought needed more attention, he'd call one of the guys over and they'd come run over and work on it. So, you know, it was a good experience.
Yeah.
And we were really, really dirty. I'm sure much more so than a lot of the RVs that they typically get in there. But I thought they did a nice job. And it was quick and efficient.
Yeah, I really thought that whole flashlight thing was pretty amazing. And how long do you think we were in there, Zach? Was it...
You know, I got it on the timer, so you guys will be able to see it. We haven't really had a chance to review it here yet.
It was definitely less than an hour from the drive-in time to the... There wasn't that long of a wait.
No.
We checked it out ahead of time on the Google, and Google said that, you know, earlier morning on Saturday is a better time to go. Saturday at like 12 noon, it starts getting pretty crowded. But still, the bays are not that crowded right now. And now we are off, back on the road, heading to our next, where it's a travel day for us, going to our next destination. Winston, what did you think of Blue Beacon? Roof, roof.
At the wash, we're on our way down the road, and we got the full wash. We got citrus tire shine or clean on all the wheels, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wheels to do that on. We got an undercarriage wash. They washed the roof of the RV, and we put Rain-X on everything. So our total bill was $68.72.
Wow,
So, yeah.
that's amazing.
Hey, that would have taken me about 4 to 5 hours probably.
Oh yeah.
And we got it done. The price was, I thought, very reasonable, and
nobody fell off the roof. You know, like we didn't have to claim your health insurance or anything, Zach, because
we didn't.
no roof injuries this way.
And one of the big things is we looked good.